Good morning, everyone. Today we'll be making amahewu. As you've been following the whole week, I've been posting some theory on making some of these wonderful beverages. So today we'll be doing some practical. So we're making amahewu. First thing you do is obviously you need to heat up our water. We need to add boiling water to our pot. So we let this to boil. Leave it in here to boil. While it's boiling, we need to prepare our maize. So yeah, I've got white maize. Unfortunately, I couldn't get any yellow maize. I like amahewu with a bit of yellow maize. So today we'll be using some white maize because that's what I could find. So I've just measured up into this one jug. In this container, I've got some water, cold water. Obviously, we mix our maize with water first before we add in our boiling water, so that when we add in here, like you make pap, it doesn't have form clumps. So we just add it in here and mix it up. So this, you make it the same way you make your porridge, the way some people make their pap. There are people that would prepare their pap on the side, make sure it doesn't have clumps, then add it into the main pot. So that's going to continue just mixing this up while our water starts to boil. So the reason why we obviously add hot water when we're cooking is to gelatinize the starch. So maize, like rice, like sorghum, all those cereals have what we call a high gelatinization temperature. So gelatinization is the temperature at which the starch granules would actually open up and get exposed so that the product can actually get cooked. So that is mixed. Our water is boiling. So now we slowly add our maize mix, and as you're adding, obviously you continue just stirring. This is obviously also to make sure that you don't form any of those clumps we're talking about. It is very, very important that as you are adding, you just continue mixing. Otherwise, you're going to end up with amahewu that are not so nice to drink, or your porridge that is going to have a lot of clumps, which is not going to cook so well. Okay. So I'm going to continue mixing until this boils. So please do not leave your pot up until it boils, because otherwise, you know what happens. Everything settles at the bottom, and by the time you come back to mix again, you know what happens. We've all made pap, we've all made porridge. This is exactly the same way. Like I said, amahewu is just fermented porridge. So I'll continue mixing. I'll come back when it started boiling.